Hi, Sarah Garland from Fine & Country Leamington Spa. Today we are at Wychdene, located in a small hamlet of Blackdown, approximately 2 miles from Leamington Spa and 3 miles from Kenilworth. Please come with me, let's take a look inside. Wychdene was originally built in the 1930s and has been extended by the current owners to include 5 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 5 reception rooms and a double garage and driveway. The property sits in 1.14 acres of beautifully landscaped gardens with an amazing raised patio terrace and feature pond. Thank you for watching the video, and if you would like any further information or to book a viewing, please contact me on the details that follow.